Hello friend, my name is Amar Singh. Here in this video, I gonna tell you how I have done the data analysis using MS Excel. First, I have seen all the column. This will tell you how and what information can be extracted from this data source. And then we check is there any duplicate value present or not. After that, we will check is there any missing value present or not. And if there is any missing value, then we will fill with null. If there is any duplicate value, we will delete it, because at the time of visualization there will be a problem, or during the data analysis it also create a lot of problem. So here you can see that on my first window, this is the data in which the shipping mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, a discount, profit, all columns are present. So from these column, first I have created a table. By creating a table in the MS Excel, if in future any of the person add the data, our visualization which I have created, this one, will change. For refreshing the data, we have to click on the data tab, and after that we will click on refresh all. Then all the charts and visualization will be refreshed. So let's get started with region wise sale. From this data, I have created a region wise sale. Here we can see that central region, east region, south region, and west region. In west region, there is the most sale done. So we can identify that the west region is performing very well. From category wise, we can see that there are three categories: furniture, office supplies, technology. And here we can see that technology is creating a lot of sales. So it is good, and we can identify that office supplies are giving us a low sale. So we have to work on this area to make the sales upward direction. Now we can see that the top subcategories which are present. So this is the common in all the regions: central region, west region, or north region. This is the top 10 categories which are performing best in all the region. And after that, I have created a best shipping mode option. Here we can see that segment wise, uh, you can see that the consumer, corporate, and home office. So best sale is giving by the consumer section, and the second best sale is given by the corporate section, and the third is given by the office product, or we can say that home office. And in shipping section, we can see that the standard class is most used. So this is also helpful for taking the decision. So here I have created a sum of profit, but in the pivot table you can see that there is a total quantity present here, which is 37820. This is the total quantity sold and total sales done in the price and total profit earned. This is the three section which I have created. And here you can see that this is the profit given by individual product. So we can say that the table is not giving us profit, it is giving us loss. And in supply is giving also a loss. But most profitable product is a copier, and second most is the phones. So both these are the technology related product which I have told you in the previous section. And here we can see that the region wise top categories, and here you can see that this is the filter which I have created. And if you select a central region and press ok, then this chart will be changed. So here you can see that this is the chart for central region, and this is the region wise tops product which are performing according to the region. So as I have told you, now next I have created which city is giving a max order, or which city is most consumable for the products. So here you can see that New York City is the city which is creating a lot of sale, or we can say that this city is having a lot of demand. Here in the outcomes table you can see that top region wise sale is from west region, which I have showed you in the previous slide, or you can say the previous page. And the category for maximum sale is technology section. So technology is giving a most maximum sales, and when the sale will be upward, then the profit will also be upward. Now in the third area we can see that top subcategories is also a technology, and max sale which is coming from the consumer section, which I have showed you in the data visualization section. And in the most shipping mode used is the standard mode, and most profitable product is the copier because it is in the technology section, as I have told you previously. And region wise maximum sale is the west. So west region is giving a maximum sale, which I have told you in upward column also, maybe it may be a mistake. And city of maximum orders is New York. Here you can see that, and we can see that region wise top categories. This I have created so that I want to tell you that in which region which product is performing at the first position. So in central region, chairs are performing for the first position, and in east, phones are performing at the top, and the south region, phones are performing, and the west region, chairs are performing. So basically two products are giving maximum sales, that are chairs and the phones. So this was my exploratory data analysis and a data visualization and my outcome in the whole video. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly comment it down, and if you want to suggest anything, you can comment it down. If you are watching on LinkedIn, then you can share my video, and if you are watching on YouTube, then you can also like and subscribe our channel also. And thank you for investing your time and giving your time.